Today's featured car of the day is a 1964 Plymouth Fury with the 426 Superstock 3 cross ram dual carb max wedge engine that was available in 1964. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise in San Diego, California. And it was definitely a good looking car. Somebody did a real nice restoration on it. Looked great with the white paint and the turquoise interior. And this one being part of the third generation of the Fury, which went from 1962 through 1964. This was the last year for this body style. And they went on to the fourth generation, which was a totally different looking car, which went from 65 through 68. As far as production numbers for 1964, Plymouth made a total of 551,633 cars, and out of that, 88,218 were Furies. And the hardtop coupe two-door, which this one is, they made 26,303. And out of that, as far as for the 426 engine, the only number I could find on the internet was they had a total of 6,359 Dodge and Plymouth cars built with the 426 for 1964. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.